What's up, guys? Mk6 here again. Today I'll be doing the headlight restoration. As you can tell, this one I cleaned beforehand during the taillight restoration video, and comparing the two, it's night and day. But hopefully, by the end of this video, they will be a lot cleaner. I'm hoping that I don't have to either get new ones or take these apart. So we will see how that goes. Obviously, I got everything that I was using. For the taillight restorations, I'm gonna be using the same stuff. Uh, Obviously, I'm gonna have to be going a little bit harder than the taillights, only because these got blasted with bugs and all that kind of crap. So there's a lot more stuff on them than compared to the taillights. So first, considering I already did this other taillight, I'm gonna go ahead and start on this one, or headlight. Sorry, I'm gonna go ahead and start on this one. I'm just going to do exactly what I did with the taillights. I'm just going to wipe them off real quick with this just disinfectant spray. Hopefully get some of the grime and blood and, the good stuff off. Go ahead and spray this down real quick. Oh yeah, there's definitely a lot of bugs on here. A lot of dead bugs. You can sit here and just keep wiping it down until I feel like I got most of that grime off. Because you don't want to start going at it with the grit or anything like that with all that dirtiness on it, because it'll just scratch it and it just won't come out as good. Sit here and just keep wiping it down. A lot of this stuff is kind of just caked on there, so it's gonna be a little bit harder to get off. I think that should probably do it for now. Oh yeah, I think I'll probably just start with the let's see, the rubbing compound. And see how that goes. Try to just get as much of this haze off as you can, as I can. There's just so much of it. And I will just go ahead and start. God damn. Shaking like a motherfucker. Oh, this is annoying. Be sick if it would just fucking stay on the light. I have to go super slow, I guess. Oh, this is annoying. On this. Let me go ahead and wipe this down. Already a big difference. Not bad, not bad. I'm gonna go ahead and try gonna try some of this heavy duty compound. It's McGuire's. I know it's in a coffee can, but it's McGuire's. We're gonna do the same thing. Just get a decent amount on there. Spread it out a little bit. Go ahead and get started on this one. I'm gonna turn it down. Yeah, that'll be better. It's a workout, people. It's a workout, I'm telling you. It's kind of hard to hold this thing in place. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it down. See if there's any big difference. It's looking like it's doing a good amount. It's just a lot of stuff built up on here. This top part is still a little hazy. Definitely feel it. But it is definitely the heavy duty stuff is definitely doing good. Might try this extra cut compound as well. See if there's anything special about it. Shake it up real good. Get it all down to the cap. Oh, I swear there was some in here. Maybe not. Let's see. Trying. There we go. This stuff is really thick. It's an extra cut compound, so it definitely will get a lot of the haziness. I'm thinking. Kind of just spread it. It does look way better. There's still a lot of the haziness up top. Alright guys, I'm going to be trying this lens clarifying compound, see how that goes. Hoping it cleans up more and more as I go with it. Go ahead and apply a good amount on here. Might went a little overkill with it, but I mean, these headlights definitely need it. Just make sure it gets all over the place at first. Alright, now it's all spread out, I can go ahead and start really trying to get down. I'm gonna go ahead and just put a little bit more on. Should be good. How it's looking. See how it's looking. It is looking better and better, but there's still just so much haziness on it. I really don't know what else to try on it. Then I'll go ahead and put some more of the heavy duty stuff on and just focus on this top end where the haziness really is. Just try to really get that down. So yeah, I'm just going to be focusing in this area right here up top. That's where they spread out. As you guys can tell, because everything's shaking, I'm really pushing down on it. Alright, I'm gonna wipe it down. Wowza. There's still just so much. I really don't know what else to do about it. Well, guys. Alright, guys, I came to the conclusion that I'm going to have to go through like everything that I have just to even try and get the haziness off. So if you guys have any suggestions, please put that down in the comments. I really not sure what else to do about the haziness. I'll show you guys right here. Not sure if you guys can really see it, but there's still a lot of hazy spots. So yeah, if you guys have any ideas of what I could do to make that look better, maybe I just have to take it apart and get new ones or something. But yeah, if you guys have any ideas, please put that down in the comments. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next one.